Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our first session for today. We will explore in this session the critical changes and opportunities presented by a rapidly evolving digital and AI-driven landscape. We will discuss how organizations can accelerate their digital transformation efforts, as well as the operational and underwriting risks associated with fintech innovations. Additionally, we will examine the technological changes shaping new insurance business models and delve into the pressing issues of cyber risks and the associated underwriting activities. Join us as we navigate these vital topics that are redefining the future of the insurance industry. Moderating this session is Mr. Haytham Tahir, Deputy Chairman and Managing Director, MetLife Egypt. Joining him as speakers this morning, Dr. Salam Musa, Vice President, OPES Software.
Maybe before going to the compliance and how can we comply with this, I know that Salam will have talk more about OPES. OPES, I'm right pronunciation, OPES. OPES is the software regarding compliance and all these things. So I know that you have a presentation, but tell us, I'm sure that during your presentation you will tell us how to comply with all of this in such changing world in AI and digital transformation. Am I right? Please, the floor is yours.
Sabah al-Khair. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to start by thanking you for the opportunity to speak at the 6th Time Rendezvous. It's truly an honor to me to return to this esteemed event and discuss the important role of compliance and artificial intelligence in the insurance industry. And I want to extend my sincere gratitude to you, Mr. Ala al-Zuhairi. Thank you so much for your dedicated efforts in making this event, Charm Rendezvous, year after year, such a success. And the Charm Rendezvous Committee, the Insurance Federation of Egypt, for their unwavering commitment to advancing the insurance industry in Egypt and the Arab world. I'm so excited today to share my presentation with you. Thank you so much. So in today's digital landscape, non-compliance is a costly risk that no insurance company can afford to ignore. So compliance is not just a requirement. Compliance is a competitive advantage that drives to growth, resilience, and trust in a competitive market. Consider this. So in 2023 alone, regulatory fines in the insurance sector reached $9.6 billion. So the question we face is not just about avoiding penalties, it's whether we're ready to transform compliance into a tool for competitive advantage in the digital age. So together we will explore how AI-driven approaches to KYC and AML sanction screening cannot just ensure compliance, but also positions insurance companies for lasting success. So we'll discuss digital transformation and compliance, KYC and its relation with customer retention, AML sanction screening, regulatory compliance as a strategic differentiator and future-ready compliance ecosystem, and finally, the urgent call to action for insurance leaders. The insurance industry is undergoing rapid digital transformation, driven by two main factors: increasing complexity in regulatory requirements and pressure to stay competitive. According to Deloitte report, 73% of insurance executives view digital transformation as crucial for growth and success. So to survive and thrive, insurers must invest in AI-driven compliance tools that not only meet regulatory standards, but also provide a competitive advantage. So why do we need for smarter compliance solutions? We need smarter compliance solutions because the traditional ones are often rely on manual processes, which are time-consuming, error-prone, and inefficient. According to Celent report, 55% of insurers still rely on manual processes for compliance tasks, leading to high operational costs and increased risk of compliance breaches. KYC and its relation with customer retention. When we hear KYC, we always think about it as a compliance tool. It is a very important compliance tool, but it's not just about compliance. It's also about understanding your customers better and building a long-term relationship with them. Insurers who use AI to enhance KYC processes can offer personalized services, reduce churn, and strengthen customers' loyalty. So according to Bain & Company report, insurers using customers' data effectively sees 25% increase in customer satisfaction and 15% reduction in churn rate. Let's take AXA as a success case. So AXA implemented an AI-based KYC solutions to analyze customers' data and offer personalized service. The AI-driven KYC allowed AXA to reduce churn and strengthen its competitive position. As we can see on the screen, 30% increase in retention rate and 20% boost in cross-selling. AML and sanction screening as safeguarding reputational and building trust. Non-compliance with anti-money laundering, AML, and sanction screening regulations carries significant risks, including fines and reputational damage. According to Pricewaterhouse, which makes sense as well, 73% of customers avoiding firms linked to financial crimes. Global fines for AML compliance failures in the financial sector reached over $5 billion in 2023, with insurers accounting for a significant share according to Fenergo report. Leveraging AI for enhanced AML. AI-driven AML tools offer real-time monitoring and analysis, reducing false positives and increasing detection accuracy. Insurers using AI-driven AML systems have seen 40% reduction in compliance costs and 50% increase in detection accuracy, according to Deloitte report. Let's take as well Zurich proactive approach to AML, Zurich Insurance Company. So Zurich Insurance adopted an AI-powered AML and sanction screening solution. The result is reducing false positive by 60% and reducing response times by 70%. This proactive approach enhances Zurich's risk management and bolsters its reputation as a trusted insurer. How can we see compliance as strategic differentiator? So compliance with regulations like FATCA, CRS, AML, sanction screening, and other international rules and regulations are more than just an obligation. It's a strategic opportunity to differentiate yourself, to differentiate your company in a competitive market. According to Baker McKenzie Switzerland, 60% of customers consider a company's reputation for regulatory compliance when choosing an insurer. Advanced digital compliance solutions offer a competitive edge, reducing costs and accelerating compliance reporting by up to 50%. how to be future-ready, a compliance future-ready ecosystem, investing in AI-driven compliance tools prepares insurers not just for today's standard, but for tomorrow's challenges. According to Gartner, 85% of insurers view AI as crucial to their future compliance strategies. A comprehensive compliance strategy can free up resources, enhance efficiency, and provide strategic insights for growth. What is the urgent call to action for compliance leaders? A proactive approach to compliance is essential for staying relevant and competitive in a rapidly changing regulatory environment. According to Deloitte, 65% of insurers who invested in AI-driven compliance report increased agility and resilience. Compliance transformation is not just a necessity. It's an opportunity to innovate and lead in the market. What to take away from this presentation? First, embracing AI-driven solutions is essential for insurers to navigate complex regulatory landscape effectively. Leveraging advanced KYC processes enhances customer relationship retention and/or while effective AML practices protects reputation. A proactive approach to compliance not only mitigates risk, but also positions insurers as leader in innovation and customer service. Implementing AI tools streamlines compliance processes, reduces costs, and allows teams to focus on strategic initiatives rather than manual tasks. And finally, leveraging AI technologies to automate FATCA CRS and KYC AML due diligence and reporting can significantly enhance accuracy and efficiency, helping insurers avoid penalties while building trust with international partners. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.
Thank you, Salam. I think great presentation and 9.6 billion fine. This is too much. This is too much for all of the things. And but the good thing is the 40% reduction in the overall compliance cost if we put in AI. So I think the AI is a good investment, if I can put it like this, especially that more complex. We used before just Sanction, now FATCA, now we don't know what will come. So overall, thank you so much for this great presentation, Salam.